Calling all mobile and manufactured homeowners in Colorado. Did you know you may be eligible for financial assistance to help with critical repairs, weatherization upgrades, or even full home replacement? Many state, federal, and nonprofit programs exist specifically to support mobile homeowners like you with essential home repairs. One of the most widely available resources is the USDA's Section 504 Home Repair Program. This federal program offers loans and grants to help repair, improve, or modernize your home, and to eliminate health and safety hazards. Homeowners can apply for loans up to $40,000. Seniors aged 62 or older may be eligible for grants of up to $10,000 or $15,000 in designated disaster areas. To qualify, you must own and occupy the home as your primary residence, and your household income must fall within the USDA's low-income limits. If you're approved for a loan above $25,000, the USDA will also require full title service to verify ownership and property records. This program is especially helpful for homeowners in rural areas, and it can cover repairs like roofing, electrical work, or accessibility modifications that make your home safer and more livable. The Colorado Weatherization Assistance Program provides free energy efficiency upgrades to income-qualified households across the state, including mobile and manufactured homeowners. It's funded by the U.S. Department of Energy and the Colorado Energy Office and administered through regional providers. Eligibility can be based on household income or enrollment in programs like SNAP, SSI, TANF, or LEAP. Some households may even qualify automatically. Services often include energy audits, insulation such as attics, sidewalls, and crawl spaces, air sealing, heating system checks and repairs, and appliance upgrades such as refrigerators and LED lighting. The program served approximately 4,000 Colorado households in 2024 and is now expanding access using Inflation Reduction Act IRA funds to support more efficient upgrades, including heat pumps and appliances. There are also nonprofit organizations that may be able to help depending on location and needs. Groups like Rebuilding Together and Habitat for Humanity may offer free or low-cost repair services for low-income mobile homeowners, seniors, or people with disabilities. Program availability and eligibility requirements may vary by county or change over time, so be sure to check with the administering organization for the most up-to-date information. You'll find links and more information in the description below. And for more guidance on mobile home living, repairs, and support programs, visit us anytime at MHBO.com.